Looking for your Cash App routing number? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can set up direct deposits or share your details with your employer in under 2 minutes. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're in, tap the $ icon in the bottom left corner, and that's the My Cash tab. Next, tap the green Cash button. This will take you to your balance and payment settings. Scroll down until you find the direct deposit section and select Get Account Number. You'll see a pop-up screen. Here, tap Enable Account to activate your Cash App banking details. Once that's done, you'll have access to your account and routing numbers. Tap Copy Account Details and you'll see two options: Copy Account Number and Copy Routing Number. Select Copy Routing Number to save it to your clipboard. Now you can paste it into an email, text message, or directly into your employer's payroll system. Super simple. That's it. You've successfully found your Cash App routing number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App and money management tips. And check out the description below. I've included more helpful guides to make the most out of Cash App